Happy Monday. I hope everyone is having a great morning so far. I'm up early. I'm actually off today. Today is going to be a self-care day, honey. I done broke a nail. I need to I have a wax appointment. I washed my hair. Like, Sheena got to get herself together, okay? So, that's the plan for today, is to do some self-care. Yeah, them clothes still there. Judge your mama. I'm gonna fold these clothes before I go, though. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have on the agenda today. I do want to go by the thrift store. I don't know where you live, but here in Houston, on Mondays, the Goodwill has a particular color that is 75% off. So I'm definitely going to stop by the thrift store. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to start fluffing my tree. I'm actually probably going to look at trees today. I know that the flock tree that I want to purchase is from Walmart, and I believe it's like 80 bucks. But I still want to look around because I think that tree is only 7 feet tall. And I say only, like, that's not tall, which it is because I'm only 5'4", but I would like to get something a little bit taller. But if I can't get it now, I'll definitely get it after Christmas. So yeah, I don't know what you guys have on your agenda today, and I know I look crazy. And when I look back at my videos, I don't know for some reason why my part looks like it's all the way over here, but this part is in the center of my head. So I don't know why the camera is making it look like it's off center, but honey, it's centered. But anyway, I mean, you know, we are our own worst critics sometimes. But yeah, I just wanted to get the vlog going, do a little intro, and just say some words of positivity. You know how I do around here. I already started off with my coffee mug with blessed, because if you are watching this video, that means you got either a cell phone with internet, you got the internet at your house, you're alive. That's number one. You can see, you can hear. So there's a lot to be thankful for. You lack nothing. I lack nothing. I bring immense value to the world, okay? And I am the prize, honey, all day, every day, okay? But yeah, let me get off this camera looking a hot mess and get my day going. I will check back in with you guys later. And yeah, happy Monday. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So I ordered some jeans from FashionNova. They were having 40% off, and these are the wide leg jeans, and I got them in a 14 because the reviews said that they run small and they only had like 1% spandex. But guys, look at this. I really should have got a 12, but I don't want to send them back. I actually like the way that they fit. They are high-waisted. Those are the only type of jeans that I purchase are high-waisted jeans. And I do have on my tummy tamer. I did get a lot of questions. The tummy tamer that I wear is a thong, okay? And it's from Amazon. So I will link that in the description box. It is a very good tummy tamer, because I carry a lot of weight in my midsection. But I really like these jeans. I do plan on going back on keto, so I don't know. And I always lose weight first in my waist, because I do naturally have a small waist. My waist to hip ratio is actually, my waist is basically, I got those baby making hips, okay? Is that what the guys call them? I'm very hippie. But anyway, back to the jeans. I do like them. I will try to link the jeans that I purchased, but again, I'm not good at links, but I know how to do Amazon links, but not clothing links. But anyway, I also got them in a dark wash. I'm gonna try those on as well. But again, I do like them. I don't know if I like the way they're bunching up, like right up in here. And you can't really see them because they're black. So here is the dark wash pair. And again, look at all of this room. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep them, because with the 40% discount, they were only 20 bucks. So if they have another sale, which I'm sure they will before the holidays, or they will probably have another one for the holidays, I'll just go ahead and order 2 12s. But yeah, I do like them. And my tummy tamer comes all the way up, but they just have a lot of room in the waist area. So, but yeah, these are from FashionNova. They make my booty look really good. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. And that's all I got going on this good Tuesday, guys. Just got off work. I'm about to chill, have a glass of wine. I didn't do much yesterday. And I'm not gonna do much today. The kids are with their dad, so it is my empty nester week. Probably just catch up on some TV. I'm also gonna be working on my book. I'm almost finished with my book. Y'all, I'm so excited. And then I also have exciting news about the tree. Me and my girl Helen are gonna do a collab. So our Decorate With Me video will go up on Saturday. I already have everything for my tree. I think Helen is waiting on a few more things. So that video will be up by Saturday. And then I'll also do a quick plant tour in my room, because a couple of you said you guys wanted to see the plants that I have in here. So that's all I got going on, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all what I got from the thrift store. I just picked up some frames. I saw some line art that I want to get from Etsy. So I'm gonna order it from Etsy and put them in these black frames. These frames were 75% off, the ones with the the ones with the green tag. So this, I didn't spend over 10 bucks, and I also got some drinkware, but I just want to show you the frames. So I got this one, I got a smaller black one, and so what I'm going to do is not per se this big one right here, but I want to have them sitting on a piece of, probably either on my dresser out here that I'm using as a TV stand, or in my room. But this is how I want it to look. So I'll put the line art in here. I will get like a white border and then do the line art. I was watching another video and she actually had some pictures layered like this in her kitchen, and I like the way that it looked. So I'm going to be on the hunt for more black frames, but these are the two that I found yesterday, and I think well, this one was $2.99 and then this one was $7.99 with 75% off. And then I also found this gold vintage or Victorian style frame. This one was also 75% off of $8.99. So I want to hang these above my bed. I will probably give them a better, I will spray paint this like a shinier gold, I guess. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna put in it. I was even just thinking about doing blank gold frames above my bed, but I haven't decided yet because I need to find at least a couple of more to complete the project. But yeah, that is what I got from the thrift store yesterday. Just the shoes by Sophia Webster with the bow on the side. I actually looked up these shoes and they're still like selling for $100+ on some of the pre-love sites. So I think this was a really good find. Doesn't look like they were worn a whole lot. I think these shoes were probably in storage. And a little bit of work needs to be done to the bow and they need to be cleaned. So I'll probably take them to the shoe hospital because I don't want to mess them up. These are really good, you know, expensive shoes in my opinion. Sophia Webster is a very popular, well-known brand, and I was really happy to find them for $6. Like, wow. So like this needs to be repaired. I mean, it's not anything that can't be fixed. That's why I went ahead and got them. They are a beautiful, beautiful crimson red color, and perfect for the holidays. So I'll probably drop them off sometime this week, so that they can be cleaned and so that they can fix, you know, iron out this bow and then fix this little Velcro piece here. So yeah, and that's all that I found on my little shopping trip yesterday. So okay guys, so just that fast, I have plans. So I do have the FashionNova Jeans on with a black bodysuit from H&M. I know I don't wear jeans often guys, but when I do. So yeah, these actually fit really good. I'm actually kind of glad that I guess I got a 14 because they look good and they feel very comfortable with the belt on. So yeah, I'm just meeting Bestie for a drink. She was like, girl, let's go have a drink. And of course, you know, when Bestie calls, you go, right? And my belt is old. I'm not real, I think the belt is actually thrifted. So, and I do have on my tummy tamer, which I will link down in the description. So yeah, just that fast guys. So yeah, I highly recommend these jeans. They are really, really nice, very flattering. They actually make me look tall and I'm only 5'4". So yeah, all right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Guess who's minding their business and reclaiming their time? Yeah, jeans again. Y'all have a good evening. Waiting on our drinks. That's our pretty little waitress. I mean, yes. It wasn't a picture. No. Oh, was it a picture? Yeah. Oh. Hey, Bestie. No, this is a video. Look who I found, y'all. Like she was missing.
Way on the other side of town. What am I doing?
All right, YouTube. I made it home. I'm about to wash this makeup off and get ready for bed. If you are new here, welcome. Please consider hitting the subscribe button if you like my content. If you are an oldie but a goodie, make sure that your post notifications are on for future uploads. And like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.